Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Radiator booster from Silvercrest includes magnetic thermostat with a 3-year warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manuals. The power adapter with an output 5 volt, 1 amp and 5 watts power consumption. And the cable length, it is 1.5 meters, very convenient. The thermostat with a cable length 80 centimeters. At the back it has magnets. Four adjustable magnets. And of course the radiator booster. It is a device that will help you to distribute your heat better. This is the top side and the bottom. You can connect, if you want, the magnets here, depending how it is your radiator. In my case, I need to install them here. Magnets facing outwards. And here it is the connection for the power and the thermostat. But I don't see where I need to connect the thermostat and where the power are the same thing. Okay, let's try that. But it's not working, so let's trick the thermostat, heat gun, and it will turn on. Oh yes, there it is. Now the fans are working. So if your radiator is hot, the thermostat, it will turn on the fans, and when it's cold, it will switch off the fans. But I don't feel any air. This is the top side. This is the bottom side. I mean, my hand is at this position and I barely feel the air. I don't know if it will work that under the radiator. And the radiator is large. I mean, it has about 80 centimeter length. Yeah, I don't know if the air, it will flow through the radiator and move upwards. Okay, I will install it and see how it works. I have attached the radiator booster to the radiator using the magnets. Make sure that the fans are pointing upwards. And next, attach the thermostat to the back of the radiator near the hot water inlet pipe or to the pipe itself. I can't see any movement when I place a paper towel. Maybe it is very heavy. The fans are spinning at a very low RPM and are quiet. With my arm I can feel a light breeze, which leads me to conclude that it works. For a simple, budget-friendly device, it really does a great job at helping circulate warm air more efficiently, especially in those colder rooms that never seem to heat up evenly. It's easy to set up, surprisingly quiet, and definitely a nice little upgrade if you want to make your radiator work smarter without touching your heating settings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss my next home tech review. Thanks so much for watching, stay warm, and I'll see you in the next one.